Hey there! So today is going to be a vlog-like video. I am at my mom's place and my friends are here. Two of my best friends. And Vishal also came today morning. Say hi, Vishal.
Hi.
So I made lunch. I made arbi fry and sambar, which is chepangarang or chamagadda or whatever you call that, and sambar. So we're just gonna have a lunch together. It's been quite some time. Today is friendship day, so we just thought why not just meet up since I'm here anyway. And let me introduce you guys to them soon.
Start.
So Indrani and Vitika are here. These are my best friends. Say hi, Indrani.
Hello.
And Vitika.
Hi.
So I don't know, since like last 6-7 years they haven't missed a single birthday of mine. This month we couldn't celebrate together, of course, because of COVID and other such restrictions, and we all have our careers and our lives right now, so we just don't get to meet as often. And today while coming, they just got me a cake because every year we do this. So last time we met for your birthday, for Vitika's birthday, which was in April, and now we're meeting again, and this is like so fun. Okay then, let me just get it done. Happy birthday to you.
इतना छोटा
But enough, I've already had enough. I don't want.
Your fourth birthday is sorry, fourth cake this year.
Really nice. So we're just sitting down for lunch right now, and as you can see, we have sambar rice, arbi sabji, and a little bit of papads going on. So we all are eating. Yeah, Indrani, I'm not showing your face. You don't need to worry. So we're just eating right now, and Vishal को हमने dining table पे छोड़ दिया है. We three are sitting together and eating. We invited Vishal, but Vishal didn't want to join us. So that's definitely one thing that I'm angry with Vishal for. Vishal, are you hearing that? I'm angry with you. Fine, whatever. So yeah, let's eat. We made the sambar like the proper traditional way, arachivitta sambar, wherein the masala was ground and then put into the sambar. So yeah, it's probably one of my favorite sambars to eat with rice. The normal powder wala sambar doesn't give this taste. And arbi sabji is my favorite, so yeah. I have literally 4 items available. Don't worry, वो मेरे इसके description में लगा दूंगी location वगैरह. तो literally there are 4 items available over there. पोंगल, उपमा, इडली and वड़ा. वड़ा वो लेके आता है, आके रखने से पहले खत्म हो जाता है. वेटिंग चलता है वड़ा के लिए, पहले बोल के रखना पड़ता है. तब crispy बनता है. എടുത്തിട്ട് ഇരിക്കുകയാണ്. So yeah, Vitika and Indrani are leaving right now, and they're saying bye.
Bye.
And we had a nice time. We were just talking about old stories, how I actually stood up to many lecturers of mine and teachers of mine. I've been pretty scandalous in my college time. So I used to be one of those kids in the college who, would talk back to lecturers. I mean, I was a lecturer, and I don't know, students didn't really talk back to me, but I was one of those troublesome but pretty good students. I mean, I used to score well, but I would definitely sledge them. And yeah, we had a pretty fun time. I don't know, it's gonna be a while since once we meet again actually. So we are hoping to meet soon, and we want to have a night out soon too. It's been a while since that happened. Normally in our night outs, what happens is that we watch a good movie or listen to Madhavan songs. We have a huge crush on Madhavan, by the way.
All three of us.
All three of us. Our favorite pastime is to just put a loop of Madhavan songs and listen to them. No matter which language, Hindi, Tamil or whatever. And now they're gonna leave in a while, and it's been a fun day. We royally ignored Vishal, Bechara, he's sitting there. And we actually even shot a video. I think you guys will probably see the video coming up, or you must have already seen the video. It's the Amazon Prime haul, and I'll be shooting another video soon. Bitika has actually given me quite a few video ideas. She's asked me to do what, Bitika?
What's in your bag?
What's in your bag? Apparently there are treasures in my bag which need to be discussed. And we will be doing a what's in your bag video of mine. So that is definitely an idea I will take up. I will be doing that also once I reach home. So bye guys. And bye to you guys too.
Bye.